Welcome. If you want to delete story replies you've made on Instagram using your PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to clean up your interactions or just remove some old replies, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First, open Instagram in your web browser and log into your account. You'll see the familiar layout, with the menu on the left side of your screen. From here, click on the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots on the left sidebar. Next, look for the option labeled Your Activity and click on it. This section gives you a full overview of your recent actions and interactions on Instagram. Once you're in the Your Activity section, scroll down until you find Story Replies under the Interactions category. Click on Story Replies to see a list of all the replies you've sent to other users' stories. Now to manage your replies, click on the Select button in the top right corner of the Story Replies page. This will allow you to choose individual replies or select multiple ones at once. Go through the list and select all the replies you want to delete. After you've made your selection, look for the Delete button, usually at the bottom or top of the page. Click on it, and Instagram will prompt you to confirm your decision. Confirm the deletion, and those story replies will be permanently removed from your account. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can quickly and easily delete any story replies you no longer want associated with your Instagram profile. This updated method makes it simple to keep your interactions tidy and your privacy in check. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips on managing your social media presence.